Hello friends, we are having a circuit over here in which we have to find out the rate of change of voltage across the resistor. So let's see how to do that. First of all, we'll draw the circuit at t is equal to 0 minus. It will consist of the 2 ohm resistor, the 4 ohm resistor, the capacitor will act as an open circuit, the 10 volt source, and the inductor will act as a short circuit. Voltage across the capacitor is plus minus Vc. The current through the short circuit will be IL. So from the circuit we can see that no current will flow through the inductor. So IL of 0 minus will be equal to 0. Now by applying KVL over here we can see that Vc plus 10 is equal to 0. Hence Vc of 0 minus will be equal to minus 10. Now let's draw the circuit for t greater than 0. Three ampere source over here, 2 ohms resistor in parallel, 4 ohm resistor, 1 farad capacitor, and the 10 volt source in parallel with the 6 Henry inductor. Let the voltage over here be VR and this voltage is VL. This is 3 ampere. Now by applying KCL at this node we get 3 is equal to VR upon 2 plus VR minus VL upon 4. So 3 is VR by 2 plus VR by 4 minus VL by 4. But VL is equal to Vc plus 10, where Vc is the voltage across the capacitor. On simplifying this we get an equation that 12 is equal to 3VR minus Vc minus 10. Let us name this as equation number 1. Now on differentiating the equation number 1 we get 0 is equal to 3 dVr upon dt minus dVc upon dt minus 0. Yes, we were differentiating it with respect to time. So dVr upon dt will be equal to 1 upon 3 dVc upon dt. Now let's draw the circuit for t is equal to 0 plus. So it will consist of this 3 ampere source, 2 ohm resistor, 4 ohm resistor. The capacitor will act as a voltage source of minus 10 volts. So I am drawing the polarity as reverse. 10 volts, this is 10 volt with reverse polarity. And the inductor will act as an open circuit, as IL of 0 plus will be IL of 0 minus, that is 0 amperes. Let the current through the capacitor be IC. Since this is acting as a short circuit, as minus 10 plus 10 will be 0, so the circuit can be modified as 2 ohm in parallel with 4 ohm resistor, and this is open circuit over here. And this is the current IC, 2 ohm, 4 ohm, 3 ampere. So by applying current division we can find IC is equal to, or IC of 0 plus you can say, 3 into 2 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 1 ampere. Therefore C dVc of 0 plus upon dt is equal to 1 ampere. Therefore dVc of 0 plus upon dt is equal to 1 volt per second, but we already know that dvr of dt is 1 by 3 of dvc by dt. So dvr of 0 plus upon dt is equal to 1 by 3 into 1, which is 1 by 3 volt per second. So this is the correct answer. The rate of change of voltage is 1 by 3.